बोले, हाय कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए, बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया। कूचों में गलियों में, राशन की फलियों में, बैलों में बीजों में, ईदों में तीजों में, रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में, भूखा राज भर ले, 10-12 बार कर ले, रहना न यार पीछे, कितना भी कोई खींचे। टस है ना मस है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही, किसना यूं ही, किसना यूं ही बस करिए। कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया। लड़ती पतंगों में, भिड़ती उमंगों में, खेलों के मेलों में, पल खाती रेलों में, गन्नों के मीठे में, खद्दर में छींटे में, ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे, कफ्ताबों हीटों में। रंग है समाज दिखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे, मन जाए ऐसी होली, रग रग मचल के बोली। टस है ना मस है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही, किसना यूं ही, किसना यूं ही बस करिए। कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया। करिए, कुछ करिए, नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए, बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया। कूचों में गलियों में, राशन की फलियों में, बैलों में बीजों में, ईदों में दीजों में, रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में। भूखा रोज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले, रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे। टस है ना मस है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए। कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया। लड़ती पतंगों में, भिड़ती उमंगों में, खेलों के मेलों में, पल खाती रेलों में, गन्नों के मीठे में, खद्दर में छींटे में, ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे किताबों हीटों में। रंग है समाज निखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे। कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया। में गलियों में, राशन की फलियों में, बैलों में बीजों में, ईदों में दीजों में, रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में।
Now, I am proud to announce the winners who performed best in the march past is Cheras with 233 points. Cheras, come forward to collect your prize for March Past.
कुछ करिए कुछ
It is the time to announce the overall winners. We have been working a lot, attending various competitions. During the past few days, we have attended many field and track events. Everything has been marked and scored, and the overall winner is Cholas. 380 points.
करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया
got a bigger plan for India. She's representing India this November 15 in the Olympics, and on behalf of RJ Mantra, the school, teachers, non-teachers and parents, we recognize Anika with all our blessings, and we wish everybody to raise both the hands above and then wish her all the very best with all blessings of Almighty, and we are all with you, Anika, as you march forward and step in. Definitely we are all going to be with you in the Olympics today. It's going to happen in Japan, Tokyo, and all our blessings will be with you. Best wishes here, bring back all the laurels to the same place, the homeland. Best wishes. Thank you so much.
We request the principal to receive the Olympic flag. Now the flag is handed over to the physical director.
Thank you so much. One last ritual to end this 14th Sports Day of RJ Mantra English School. We have had a wonderful chief guest with us today, but she has got a bigger plan for India. She's representing India this November 15 in the Olympics, and on behalf of RJ Mantra, the school, teachers, non-teachers and parents, we recognize Anika with all our blessings, and we wish everybody to raise both the hands above and then wish her all the very best with all blessings of Almighty. And we are all with you, Anika, as you march forward and step in. Definitely we are all going to be with you in the Olympics day. It's going to happen in Japan, Tokyo, and all our blessings will be with you. Best wishes here. Bring back all the laurels to the same place, the homeland. Best wishes. Thank you so much.
Every race must reach its finish line, and every grand event must draw its curtain.
As our sports day reaches its graceful conclusion, it's time to express heartfelt gratitude to who all made this day the best day of energy, excellence and enthusiasm.
To convey our collective thanks, I now invite our Chakravarti, Harshil Prabhu, to deliver the vote of thanks.
To all gathered, I express my heartfelt gratitude. Without you, this could not have happened today, and we could not have witnessed it before our eyes. Everyone here present a crucial role in this sports day of RJ Mantra English School. As a pioneer, I am deeply grateful to our chief guest, Ms. Jerlyn Anika, and her father, Jayaraj Segar, to fulfill our sports day with their presence, inspiring us and encouraging us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Next, I thank our respected management who have blessed us with their presence here. Thank you, board members. I would also thank our prominent principal and vice principal who made this grand event a possible one. Thank you, ma'am. I thank our school's physical education department who are the backbone of this event. Without them, nothing would have been done so already. Thank you, physical education teachers. My gratitude towards teachers is always high and is always increasing. For the past week, our teachers handled both academics and sports simultaneously with great efforts. Thank you, teachers. Next, I thank my friends, the Chakravartini, the Monarch, the Emperor and the volunteers whose each step towards success made this day a memorable one. They were involved from day one of practice till today. My mates organized it well. Thank you, friends. I'd also thank the non-teaching staff who provided their fullest support for this sports day. Without them, we could not have stayed more hydrated like this. Thank you, non-teaching staff. I also extend my gratitude to all the parents who have come here to this sports day, encouraged us and supported us. Thank you, parents. Next, I thank all the seniors, the alumni of RJ Mantra English School who have come here to recreate their sports day memory. Thank you, seniors. I would like to congratulate all the winners today. Kudos to all. But for the ones who did not make up today, remember that there is always next time. And don't miss that opportunity. Start now, you can achieve high. Last but not least, I really thank the students of RJ Mantra English School where each of you played your role in this sports day. You played your best part, you gave your fullest effort and you had your best coordination today. The main theme of this sports day is unity. You are all united. It's always good to be united and be united, my friends. You prove that mantras are always united. Remember that success is not a destination. Success is a journey. Show who you are to this world. Let me ask you a question and end. Do you know which makes you more knowledgeable? It's your experience. I have experienced a lot while organizing such a grand event. A lot of problems arose, a lot of complexities and confusions arose among us. But we were able to find new solutions for it, as all the problems in this world has a certain solution. I found a lot of pros and cons while organizing such a grand event. And there are a lot of grand events upcoming on the way, and we are always prepared for that. For one last time, I want each one of you in this ground to repeat what he said. We are united. We are united. We will be united. We will be united. Forever united. Forever united. Thank you. This is your Harshil Prabhu signing off.